Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Her Curls Are Bad. Today I'm just going to show you how I made my U-part wig. This cap was bought on Amazon. Yeah, I bought this on Amazon. And it's very well constructed. It has combs in it. It's very breathable, as you can see. And it has braids already on it. So you don't have to do anything extra to crochet the hair on. So this is the type of hair I'm using. I'm using the springy twist up expression hair for my wig, and I love this hair. Y'all see me use this hair for my high bun that I have, and I'll post a link to that video in the description box as well, or in the cards. So here is how the wig is constructed up close. You see the cornrows here, and all I'm gonna do is just crochet hairs through it. And I have a wig head, which I also got from Amazon. I'll have the link to that below as well in my Amazon store. So this is the hair up close. It is so textured. It matches my hair type so well. You can barely tell that it's synthetic hair. And I love this hair, y'all. I think I might do some twist in my hair with it one day, but this will do for now. So I'm just taking the little twist tie off of it, and the hair is already sectioned off. And the reason why I got this hair is because it has a little curls at the end, kind of like how it looks when you do a twist out. And that was the goal for this U-part wig. I initially wanted to do a half up, half down style with this, but I kind of changed my mind and just made a bob. But this is the hair up close. It is very textured, as you can see, and it matches with type 4 hair seamlessly. If you are new at crocheting hair on your own head or on a wig, you will know my struggle. So I started out trying to do this the fast way by just latching on the hook with the hair and just pulling it through. But I noticed that you have to take your time with this, because if you pull it through the hair too fast, it's not gonna look how you want it. So you kind of have to guide the hair where you want it to go when crocheting hair onto a wig. So I'll show you again. So I'm gonna pick a spot on my wig. I didn't do the crochet hair too close to each other, because if you do too much, this wig will be so big and you'll have to cut it down so much. And that's what I noticed when I did this wig. But I'm just gonna take the needle, which I got from my local beauty supply store. It cost like $1, actually less than that, probably like 50 cents or something like that. But I just latched it through, and I just take the hair and put the hair on the needle and pull it through slow and kind of just tug it, and then I put my finger through the loop and I grabbed the hair and pulled it through the loop. As you can see here. Oh, it's 98 cents. So it's more than 50. It's 98 cents. But yeah, I'm just pulling the hair through, and I'm taking my time with this, trying to get the hair to come through. Because if you pull it through too fast, the hair is going to be so frizzy and you won't have that curl at the end. Like, it's going to get tangled. And I've done that a few times on this wig, but I'm just pulling it through and kind of straightening the curl out and then pulling it and tightening it. I didn't do this crochet twice. I know you can do the crochet and loop it through twice, but I didn't feel the need to, because this hair is so textured. It doesn't require you to loop it through more than once, because the kinks kind of like hold really well. So there you go. You just pull it down and kind of just like maneuver it so it's covering the braids. So you keep doing this on the rest of the hair, and well, on the rest of the wig, and the wig will get fuller, fuller, and fuller. I tell you, like so fast. Like this didn't take too long at all. If I did this all in one sitting, I would think it would take less than an hour to do this wig. But I prolonged it so long because I'm lazy. But you guys could do it if you wanted to. So this is the texture of the hair up close. I don't know why I zoomed in this close, but I'm showing you the end result of this wig, and this is the wig head. It's been through a lot. I glued some hair on it, but I also have this on a wig stand, so it's easier for me to stand up and crochet the hair in. And I'm just inspecting the hair and I'm cutting it, and if I need to add any more crochet hair, I can add it in very easily. So I'm trying to avoid cutting off the curls on the end because that kind of defeats the purpose of why I bought this hair. But I'm just trimming it and trying to trim it into a bob. Y'all will see in the next clip how it looks on my hair once I blend it in. Okay, now this is the end result. The front of my hair, where my hair is parted, that is my real hair, and I parted it in the middle because that was the look that I was going for. And the hair at the top is mostly mine, and you can kind of see the difference, but I don't think you can clock this wig at all. Like, I'm looking like this wig is not that great. Like, I'm a little skeptical of walking out of the house with this hair, but because I thought it made my head look so big, because I already get comments that my head is big, so I was kind of self-conscious about it. You can see the look in my face, like, really this is not cute, but it's cute enough to go hang out with my sister, which is where I was on my way to. And I got my other wig on my wig stand there, and my vanity is a mess, but that's what it takes to get ready. But thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Hello. Subscribe to her curls.
Her curls are bad. That's why she has braids.